Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can sign up or create crypto.com account. So in order to create or sign up for crypto.com, all you have to do is just make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to create an account, all you have to do is first thing first, either you're using an application, then you'll have to install it, or if you're using a web browser, then you need to type in crypto.com. So after you type in crypto.com, this is going to direct you to the page. As soon as you type in crypto.com, it's going to direct you to the official web page. And from there, you'll need to go ahead and tap the login or sign up button. So if you already have an account, then tap the login button and enter in your credential. You'll be after that, you'll be logged into your account. Similarly, if you don't have an account and new to crypto.com, then tap on sign up. Next page, you'll be able to see the interface something like this. So then to create or register for crypto.com, you'll need to provide in your legal first name and then the last name, your date of birth according to your ID, nationality, email address, password. Since you're creating an account, it's mandatory for you to create a password as well. So in order to confirm the password, you need to type in twice. As soon as you're done creating the password, you'll need to enter in the referral code. So if you don't have a referral code, then you can just leave it blank and make sure to confirm the terms and condition and click on create account. Now on the other interface, you'll need to verify your email address. So you'll be receiving a verification code through an email. So open up the email and then copy the verification code. So here you need to enter in the OTP that has been sent to you through an email and then click on verify. After that, it's going to ask you to provide in your phone number for the security purpose. So go ahead and select the country of your resident. First of all, type in your phone number and click the submit button. As soon as you do that, for this as well, you need to enter in the verification code or an OTP. And after that, you've successfully created your crypto.com account. So in this way, you can create crypto.com account, and from now onwards, you can explore crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.